I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.
What it do, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we are focused on building wealth in the stock market. Today we have a banger video and we're going to be breaking down Castor Maritime, ticker symbol CTRM. Okay, there's been a lot of hype and popularity around this stock, but we want to break it down. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys what this company is all about, what they're heading towards, what they're doing, where the company's at right now, where the stock price is at, and what the news is saying about this stock. So make sure you stick all the way to the end. And, you know, we're just going to be dropping gems all throughout this video. So make sure you stay all the way to the end, like I said, guys. But without further ado, don't forget to get your free stocks down below in the description. Don't forget about that. Also, don't forget to join the Discord. It's free, so check it out. And like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. Okay, so Castor Maritime, the stock is currently at $1.23, okay? It is up about 1% for the day, which is pretty good due to the fact that we had a red week last week, okay? So they're up around 1% for the day. Let's look at for the month. They're up over 200% for the month, okay? So that tells you right there for a penny stock that this stock has been going crazy. But we're trying to figure out why. What is going on with this stock? What is this company all about, right? For 3 months, this stock is up over 500%. Man, now we really have to figure out what's going on, okay? So let's get into a brief overview of what the company is all about. Me personally, I didn't know what the company was about, but that's what we're going to figure out right now. So let's hop in, okay? So the brief overview says, Castor Maritime, Inc. engages in the provision of shipping, transportation services through its ownership of dry bulk vessels, okay? It offers seaborne transportation services for dry bulk cargo, including iron ore, coal, and grain, collectively referred to as major bulks, and steel products, fertilizers, cement, sugar, and scrap metal, okay, collectively referred to as minor bulks. So this is some new information. I've never actually heard about this. I never thought about which resources we get from other places through vessels or basically large ships, right? It says the company was founded by Petros on September 12, 2017, and is headquartered in Limassol, Cyprus. So that's actually interesting. That's pretty interesting that this is basically a what do they call it? A shipment company, cargo. So they're transporting. They call it major bulks and minor bulks, and basically they're getting these shipments and they're transporting them from place to place. So that's what the business is about. Let's go into the Castor Maritime website and see what their message is and what they're trying to relate to us, okay? Let's hop into that. It says, it's Castor Maritime, it's Castor, it's shipping, it's magic, okay? So that's their, phrase, right? It says, we are a growth-oriented global shipping company engaged in the seaborne transportation. So, they're transporting things on the sea and the ocean, right? It says in the seaborne transportation of a wide range of bulk commodities along worldwide shipping routes through our ownership of dry bulk vessels. Okay, so that's another thing to keep in mind. They have their own vessels. That is the part of the business as well, taking part of owning their own vessels. Okay, and that's pretty cool to check out because, as we can see here in the article that I'm going to show you guys, they're going to be talking about why acquiring vessels is important. So let's hop in. This news article says, why Castor Maritime stock popped today. This was from February 18th, so a few days ago. And they're going to talk about what happened. Okay, it says, what happened? Shares of Castor Maritime climbed on Thursday after the shipping company said it was expanding its fleet. So that's good. They're expanding, which what we like to see from companies is that they're growing. So what this company is going to do is they're acquiring more vessels, more ships. It says as of 11:22 Eastern Time, its stock price was up more than 8% after rising as much as 18% earlier in the day. Okay, so there's been a lot of trading volume within this stock. Okay, it says, so what? Castor Maritime struck a deal to acquire a 2010 Kamsarmax dry boat carrier for $14.8 million. Okay, the company expects to take delivery of the ship by the second quarter. So this sounds really good that they're acquiring a new ship. But one thing that this made me think of is that I hope they're not acquiring too much debt that, kind of like overpowers their gains, their revenues. So I'm hoping that that does not happen here. Okay. Let's see what else they're saying. I guess it says, we are very happy to announce the acquisition of our third Kamsarmax dry bulk vessel and remain committed to our plan of steadily deploying capital and growing our fleets. That came from the CEO, Petros. It says, upon completion of all our recently announced acquisitions, our fleet will consist of 12 vessels, doubling in size since the beginning of 2021. That's pretty good. So they're definitely expanding. But like I said earlier, I'm hoping that this is not going to bring them on too much debt that overpowers the revenues that they're bringing in. Okay. It says, now what? It says the pandemic crisis has weighed heavily on the dry bulk shipping market. That's an interesting point. Castor Maritime is using the downturn as an opportunity to ramp up the size of its fleet by buying ships at more economical prices in hopes of profiting from an eventual recovery. So this seems like a pretty smart move from Castor Maritime. They see this as a point of economic distress, so they're getting things at lower prices. We all do it. We do it with the stock market. We like to get the stocks at a lower price so we can sell high, right? Buy low, sell high. So basically same point here, but this is what they're using to expand their business. So that seems like a good motto. Okay. It says investors should expect Castor Maritime to pursue additional acquisitions in the weeks and months ahead. So keep that in mind, guys, if you are watching this stock. If you're a trader or if you just want to hop in before they acquire more ships or more vessels, then stay tuned for more news. It says we are working diligently in identifying and taking advantage of attractive opportunities presented to us across vessel sizes and segments. So keep this in mind, guys. It sounds like they are moving towards big things. And if you're interested in the stock, make sure that you do your research and you have alerts or you set up things so that you know what's going on with the stock. So far, it doesn't sound bad. It sounds like a pretty good company. They have their particular sector and they're sticking to it. They're expanding. So that seems good. The only thing that I was worried about is hoping that they're not, acquiring too much debt that will outweigh the revenues. But without further ado, guys, that is it for the video. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, join the Discord, and I will check you guys in the next video, okay? So let's get it and let's go.
I just told me, yeah, we gon' be straight. He saw me make $1 million off one damn play.